You're watching this video because you're a Squarespace website designer, and I'm assuming that you probably want one or maybe both of these following things. You want to consistently be generating leads and ideally not relying on referrals, and you want to be making more money from the projects you're doing so you can either earn more overall or just have a better work life balance. So, more for less time going in. So, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the two things that I would do if I was a website designer in your position, from my experience of my agency generating over $1.5 million worth of sales. Now, the first thing that I would be doing is doing SEO for your own business. Now, I appreciate maybe as a designer, you're probably sitting there thinking, I don't want to be doing SEO. That isn't something that I enjoy. And maybe it's something that you're just not comfortable doing, but please just hear me out. What I want you to swiftly focus on is local SEO. As a Squarespace designer, maybe you've got a niche, like you work with coaches, consultants, or maybe you've just got a specific niche that you focus on working on. Or maybe you're just a general Squarespace designer who work with any client as long as they want a Squarespace website. Now, one of the biggest things that I see Squarespace website designers overlook is SEO, and in particular, local SEO. Every single one of you watching this video has a ton of different businesses that are around where you live, around where your business is located, that need websites. And all local SEO is the process of optimizing your website and in particular your Google My Business so that you show up locally when people are searching for web design services in your local area. Now, to give you an example, I am originally from Wolverhampton, which is a city in the UK. And as you can see here, 260 people a month search for web design Wolverhampton. So there's 260 potential customers looking for web design services in Wolverhampton. Now, whenever you search for a local keyword, whether it's web design near me, web design your city, or even a restaurant for near you, the thing that's going to show at the top is this Google My Business map. This is called the map pack. And this is where your Google business profile can show up. And what I really recommend web designers do is do local SEO to show up within this map. And the reason being, about 50% of these clicks, so about 130 of these clicks are going to these. And let's just assume for argument's sake, they're evenly distributed. This means each of these three profiles is getting around 40 clicks per month, either potentially to the website or if they have the ability to call them here, picking up the phone and getting in touch with this business. And that's why I believe that local SEO for web designers is a hidden gem, because a lot of these people that are searching for web design services near them, if their website is built on WordPress, Squarespace, Webflow, whatever, they just want a new website. And if they find you, they'll be more than happy if you build them a Squarespace website, especially because you're local to them as well. So your conversion rates on those leads are probably going to be much higher. Now, the thing that makes this even easier is doing local SEO and doing SEO on your Google business profile. It doesn't take tons of time. It's more about consistency. The number one ranking factor for local SEO is a number of Google reviews that you have. So, for example, as you can see here, the three businesses that show up here have got between 12 and 33 reviews. Now, let's say, for example, as long as you've worked with, let's say, more than 50 clients and you've built them a fantastic website that they love, it's probably not unrealistic that you can get around 30 reviews. All you'd have to do is reach out to those customers, ask them to leave you a review, and you're going to boost your local SEO and chances that you show up within this map. And of course, there are other things that go into it, but that's for another video. The main thing that you can do is focus on getting reviews, and really focusing on getting reviews is something that you should be doing anyway. For example, on SEO Space's website, my website, the SEO plugin for Squarespace, we use Alpha Sites plugin in order to show the reviews that we have on our website. So getting reviews is an absolute minimum that you should be doing because they should be showing on your website. They boost conversion rates, and it's just something that's going to help your whole business, not just local SEO. So that is the first thing that I recommend Squarespace designers should do, and that is local SEO to attract people locally that are looking for web design services, because while it's fantastic, you may want to be attracting people from all over the world. And, if that's what you want to go for, that's completely fine. But there's also hundreds of businesses locally to you that are looking for web design services, and you shouldn't be turning your nose up on them, because if you want to be getting more consistent inbound leads that close higher, that can be your bread and butter to provide you that constant income stream, local SEO can be the way to do that. And then you can build up your income with referrals on top of that. Now, you don't just have to believe me. These are actually web designers that I spoke to recently who are in SEO Space's SEO Academy. And as you can see here, this is Daisy, a web designer, and she recently got 2 leads reach out to her from Google for her services, one of which she signed and the other she will sign very soon. And as you can see here, when you do SEO right, you're actually going to be getting quality inbound leads. And because they're coming to you, they're going to be much easier to sign. And as Daisy said, it actually takes away the anxiety of where your next client is going to come from. Because consistently, there'll be people searching for web design services in your local area, wherever you're based. And as long as you rank, those people are always going to find you, bringing you a constant stream of inbound leads. Other web designers, such as Alana, have also completely booked out of web design services through leads that have come from SEO. As you can see, in just 2 weeks, she got 7 inquiries all through Google search. So as a designer, please don't sleep on this, because as you can see from those 2 recent examples, web designers are generating leads and sales from SEO, and you don't actually have to put in that much work in order to get results. Because as I've said, it is mainly about consistency. As you can see, Alana did this over a number of months, and you can do the same. The second thing that I would recommend you do as a Squarespace website designer, potentially after you've done the first thing, SEO on your own website, is then start selling SEO services to your clients. And there's 2 reasons that I believe web designers are in a unique position to not only offer SEO services, but also to benefit from SEO services. And the reason being is, first of all, you're already building websites. And in my opinion, what's the point of a beautiful website if you launch it and your client is actually invisible on Google? There's no point having a website if no one is actually able to find it. And arguably, you're probably doing your clients a disservice if you launch a website that they paid thousands for if they don't actually get found. And the reality is, all of your previous and existing clients need SEO services. It's something that you can actually bake into your web design services. You can include it in the website build. You can charge more. And ultimately, your client will be happy after, because they'll actually be getting found on Google by their target customers. So that's the first reason. All of your previous, current, and future clients need SEO. You're in a much better position than me as someone that just offer SEO services. You literally have a ton of clients that already need it. You just need to learn how to offer it. The second reason is, I speak to a lot of website designers, and often their income comes in peaks and troughs. You get a number of projects in, you're able to get a cash injection into your business. However, if you don't have new projects, if potentially you have a month where things are dry and you don't sign any new clients, or you get smaller leads, your income can be smaller. And a big reason that I love SEO services, and where our $1.5 million worth of SEO sales have come from, is primarily retainers, i.e. people paying you the same amount every single month in order to deliver a ongoing service. And if you're able to, as a website designer, sign your existing clients onto a retainer service, as I mentioned with the leads that are coming from SEO, your SEO services can provide that foundation, that reoccurring income that gives you the peace of mind, that gives you that foundation. So your project work can then tie up on top of that to mean that you've got a consistent income stream to give you peace of mind, and you're ultimately earning more without actually signing any more clients, because all you do is offer this service to your existing clients, something which I actually can't do because I have to sign all of my SEO clients completely cold, i.e. I'm not building the website, I just have to offer them SEO services. You already signed these clients for web design services, so you may as well bolt SEO onto it. So there you are, guys. That is a run through of, if I was a website designer, the 2 things that I would do. First of all, you should start generating leads through SEO for your business, and primarily through local SEO. And then once you've nailed that, you can then begin to offering SEO services to your clients. Now, of course, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to learn how to do either or both of those 2 steps, you can check out SEO Space. I made the SEO plugin for Squarespace. And of course, as I've already mentioned, the SEO Space Academy, where we actually teach website designers in order to offer profitable SEO services that actually work. So you can achieve the things that I mentioned earlier in this video, so that you can potentially achieve similar results to people like Alana, who's in the SEO Space Academy, and then also Daisy. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.